So today we're talking with Jonathan Singer, a representative here in the state of Colorado and an expert on all things domestic here in the state of Colorado. Uh, Jonathan, talk to me about rent.
Well, thank you. And enough of an expert to know that I'm not an expert in everything. So first of all, I don't know when this is actually going out, but this is really important for people to hear, both on the landlord and the rent side of things. Is that the state created a rental assistance fund? It's $20 million, and those dollars come from the federal government. They need to be spent by the end of the year. They need to be spent by the end of the year. So if you are a landlord that is giving your tenant leeway right now, but you are struggling because you're not sure where you're going to make up the money for your mortgage, please reach out to me, reach out to the state of Colorado, reach out to our local officials. This is the time to do something. If you're a renter and you don't know how much of your lease you're going to make up, same thing. Please reach out. This is the time to do that. Uh, we've got to have a roof over everyone's head. In the era of COVID-19, I before the era of COVID-19, I said housing is healthcare. And even more so in a pandemic, housing is not only healthcare, but it actually keeps other people safe too. And so I'll just start out there by saying that because that is so important.